Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the dynamic pullout of the deformed steel bar from the concrete piece or concrete slab. See that this is the result for the deformation, and we can investigate the damage. The damage parameter in the concrete. See the damage, and you can see the concrete here on this area of the deformed steel bar. See that this is the extraction of the steel bar from the concrete, and we can see it in this view. This is a dynamic simulation, and we can get, for instance, pressure, ductile damage criterion for the concrete or plastic strain. And we can get another thing, for instance, the stress, and we can use a limit to have a better view, for instance 7. This is a better view for the stress. And we can request damage, ductile damage for the steel bar, and you can see the damage happen here and here. These are the damage zone. So you can get everything from this dynamic simulation, this pull-out simulation, such as force, displacement, plastic strain, everything. And this is the process, the dynamic process. So if you need this tutorial, you can come to our website www.abaqus.com, find the English tutorials and click on the blue sign. This is continue. Or if you can't find this tutorial, you can search this title in the search section in the website, and then you will find it. And here there is a title, a short explanation about the process and the geometry and the material method, interaction step, mesh, and at the end there are these figures as results. You can see them, and there are 3 important points. The file contains CAINP and English video file step by step. The cost is $32 US. If you have bitcoins, you can pay it with that. If you haven't bitcoins, you can use PayPal. This is a better way to use PayPal. If you have PayPal account, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing through a PayPal account. Thank you for attention.